It's time for match number 24 of the Indian T20 League. It's Kolkata taking on Punjab in Abu Dhabi, and I'm now joined by Deep Das Gupta on my 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricinfo. Pretty simple pro tip right at the top. Please keep faith in both top orders and expect them to come good. Logical, isn't it?
Absolutely. There's no two ways about it. Top order, I know someone like KL Rahul hasn't scored too many in the last couple of games, but listen, he's a class act. He's in good form and he will score runs.
Right, simple and easy. All players available, so nothing to worry about. Everyone available for selection for your fantasy team. Just a quick reminder of the rules as well. Please note that every user on my 11 Circle has 100 credits available to form the team. Each player has been assigned individual credit values, and users have to pick players from 4 categories as always: batsmen, all-rounders, wicket keepers and bowlers. With a maximum of 7 players from one particular team allowed, users can also choose 4 substitutes. We are going with Mayank Agarwal as our captain. Now, he had a fantastic start this season, but then has been slightly off the boil in the last couple of games. Punjab need him to step up. He scored 114 runs in the power play in the tournament so far, with a boundary percentage of close to 60. If he gets going, Mayank आपको दिला सकते हैं बहुत सारे अंक. Rahul Tripathi हमारे vice captain होंगे. Now, this guy has shown some promise in the 2 games he's played so far this season. He played the finisher role in the first game, scored 36, and then went up to his preferred opening slot and scored 81. Since 2017, in all T20s, Tripathi has scored 1,027 runs as an opener, averaging 31 and a strike rate of 135. So, Mayank Agarwal, Rahul Tripathi, slightly unlikely choice, but we will go with him as our vice captain among our other top picks. Andre Russell, who by his own standards has had a very quiet tournament so far with the bat. Although with the ball, he's quietly picked up 5 wickets and all of them have come at the death. He's picked up a wicket every 8 balls at the death in the tournament so far. His batting, although has not clicked so far, but against a team that leaks runs at the death, Russell should fancy his chances to score big. Eoin Morgan is there as well. Now, he's been playing at number 5 or 6, trying to finish the innings for Kolkata. He scored 143 runs, the second most for Kolkata so far in the tournament, at a strike rate of 143. His strike rate at the death, though, is brilliant at 248, and he will be looking to replicate that. Nicholas Pooran is there as well after playing an attractive-looking cameos in the early part of the tournament. Pooran smashed on 37 balls, 77 against Hyderabad. He must be really high on confidence, and we back him to keep going. His strike rate this season is now 178.18. If he gets going, your team will as well. So, among our top picks, Mayank Agarwal, the captain, Rahul Tripathi, the vice captain, Andre Russell, Eoin Morgan, and Nicholas Pooran. If you can see how well we followed our own pro tip. The assumption here is, of course, that Narine will not open, and therefore Tripathi. Is it safe to assume so? And would you go with these 5?
It is safe to assume so. I would go with these 5. As far as captain and vice captain is concerned, obviously you've got some really good names, people in form. But I'll tell you what, KL Rahul is not a bad option. I don't know whether he's going to keep, maybe he will not keep wickets, but even otherwise, I think he's a good option. So is Andre Russell. As you mentioned, he hasn't got too many runs with the bat, but that will turn around soon, and I have a feeling this could be the game.
Right, we've got 2 differential picks in our recommended 11. Shivam Mavi has been great up front for Kolkata, picking up wickets in the power play. He's bowled most of his overs in the power play this season with an impressive economy of under 8 to go with 3 wickets. Ravi Bishnoi, after a small lean patch, this young man has come back with a terrific performance against Hyderabad. He picked up 3 for 29, including the wickets of both Warner and Bairstow. He's been exceptional in the middle overs for Punjab this season, picking up 6 wickets at an economy of just under 8. So, Shivam Mavi, Ravi Bishnoi, the 2 differential players now. Let's take a look at our recommended 11. KL Rahul is a part of the 11, alongside Nicholas Pooran as the other wicketkeeper. We're going with 4 batsmen in Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, the vice captain, Eoin Morgan, and Mayank Agarwal, the captain. Andre Russell, the only all-rounder, and we're going in with Shivam Mavi, Mujibur Rahman, Ravi Bishnoi, and Pat Cummins, the 4 bowlers. Among the substitutes, we have got Chris Gayle, Sunil Narine, Nitish Rana, and Mohammad Shami. Now, by having Chris Gayle in the subs, we're keeping that door open given Punjab's desperate situation at this point, and we're also backing Mujib to be in the 11. And we've kept emotion aside when we haven't chosen KL as a captain. You spoke about Kale, but you're okay with the other substitutes as well. Chris Gayle not in the 11 in the subs. Is that okay?
I think that's a fair call, because obviously apparently he was going to play the last game as well, but because he wasn't well. And that'll be interesting to see. If Chris Gayle opens, then I think Kale might come at number 3 or something. That'll be a very, very interesting call. And listen, we all are waiting to see Chris Gayle, what kind of form he is in. As far as Sunil Narine is concerned, I think he's going to be used as a floater with the bat. Bowling also, he's picking up wickets. He's been economic as well. It'll be interesting. I think overall, looking at that playing 11 is something that I would go with as well.
Right, but Deep did mention about how KL Rahul could possibly be a captain choice, and we've got an alternate scenario for you guys. He is a great captain choice, but due to his dip in form, we've not made him our captain, as you know. But if Punjab bat first, KL Rahul can certainly be your captain. All his 50-plus scores in the tournament have come batting first. So think of those scenarios. Will Gayle play? Will he not play? What should you do? What will Punjab do? Lots to think about. You heard from Deep. You saw our 11. Go get your teams ready and good luck with it. And may you win lots and lots of points. Thanks, Deep. For now, that's it on my 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricket.